Viewers, welcome back to our channel, Harry Wonder. In this video, I am going to tell you 20 general knowledge questions along with the answers in English. So, if you like this video, click on like button and share this video to your family members. And please comment your comment in the comment section. So, let's get started our video. Your first question and the first question of this video is: the United Nations declared 2012 as the International Year of which theme? Answer is cooperatives. Next, second question. Which gland is both exo and endocrine gland? Which gland is both exo and endocrine gland? Answer is pancreas. Answer is pancreas. Next question. By whom was the Constitution of India adopted? By whom was the Constitution of India adopted? Answer is Constituent Assembly. Answer is Constituent Assembly. Next, by which the maximum amount of energy in the present day world is provided? Answer is toll. Answer is toll. Let's see next question. In ancient India, Nalanda University was a great center for the study of which religion? Answer is Madhyana Buddhism. Answer is Mahayana Buddhism. Sorry for reading Mahayana as Madhyana. So let's see next question. The first law of thermodynamics is concerned with the conservation of which thing? Answer is with energy. Next question. Which state produces maximum soya beans? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next question. When is World Day for Water recognized by the UN was observed? Answer is on March 22. Next question. Which country is rich in oil? Answer is Indonesia. Answer is Indonesia. Let's see next question. By whom was the first Muslim invasion of India led? Answer is Muhammad bin Oyazim. Muhammad bin Oyazim. Let's see next question. Which blood vessel bringing blood into government capsule? Answer is afferent arteriole. Answer is afferent arteriole. Next question. When was the Constituent Assembly for Undivided India first meet? When was the Constituent Assembly for Undivided India first meet? Answer is 9th December 1946. Next question. Which are macronutrients provided by inorganic fertilizer? Which are macronutrients provided by inorganic fertilizer? Answer is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Mainly three fertilizers are macronutrients provided by inorganic. So they are nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Next question. Which proper order of seismic waves as they are received at seismograph station? Answer is P wave, S wave and L wave. And one note to you guys who are waiting for history and geography classes. Sorry for inconvenience. So due to some technical problems in our channel, geography and history classes are going to be ended. So sorry for inconvenience, and general knowledge in English will be continued forever. So let's see next question. The Arab conquest of Sindh took place in which year? The Arab conquest of Sindh took place in which year? Answer is in 712 AD. In 712 AD. Next question. The United Nations declared 4th week of September as which week? Answer is Peace Week. Answer is Peace Week. What percentage of countries' demand for natural rubber is met by indigenous production? Next question is, what percentage of countries' demand for natural rubber is met by indigenous production? Answer is 97%. Answer is 97%. Next question. Which causes the disease syphilis? Which causes the disease syphilis? Answer is bacteria. Next question. Which European country has over 200 volcanoes? Which European country has over 200 volcanoes? Answer is Iceland. Answer is Iceland. Next question. Last question. Which was the medieval ruler who was the first to establish a ministry of agriculture? Answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So thanks for watching this video. Please share this video to reach more people.